And look, the transparent dies, red, blue and green, are created on 4 faces. So when we put in the middle of the magnet, you see, it stay diagonal 1 and 2, and the opposite is 6, 5. Now let's put the blue one automatically 1 and 2 in the middle of the magnet. The other one green. You see, that means it's perfect balanced and it's professional creation inside. And now this is with 2 faces, means like this. See, I try to put other faces, automatically 1. So it's 1 and the opposite is 6. So means this dies, it's 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, and the opposite is 6, 6, 6, 5, 5, 5. I give you 1, 2, 3 model transparent and 1 model matte. So means 8 dice.